Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to play Roblox offline and mobile using a simple settings adjustment. If you want to change how Roblox behaves on your phone, now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account, because access to settings is only available after signing in. Step 2. Tap on the More Options menu, then select Settings, and from there tap on Device Preferences, which is where Roblox stores performance-related options. Step 3, in the Device Preferences section, find the Reduce Motion option and toggle it on to limit animations and visual effects. Turning this on can improve performance and change how the game behaves during use. Step 4, exit the Settings menu and return to the main screen to continue playing Roblox with the updated preferences applied. Your changes will take effect immediately without restarting the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.